Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Opera GX lagging. So first step, open up Opera GX, press on this here that says GX control, and then make sure that you do not enabled a RAM limiter and CPU limiter. Make sure these options are off. Then press on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Then you need to go to settings, and then on search you just need to write acceleration here. Use graphic acceleration when available. Make sure it's on. If it's on and if it's lagging for you, then what is just to do here is to turn off this option here and then relaunch the app. Basically, if it's off, turn on and relaunch the app, and if it's on, turn off and relaunch the app and look if the problem persists. But usually it's graphic acceleration is causing the problem. Also, if you're watching YouTube and you're experiencing some lag, go to ads and then make sure ad blocker is turned off as well. And then what I suggest to do next is to press on the + sign here. Then you need to write a flags, and do not press on the search icon here, but on the bottom you should see Opera flags. Press on it, then write angle, and here should be on default, but if it's lagging for you, then try to change some options here. Try all, relaunch the app, and then look with basically with one option should be no lag. So that's pretty much it.